Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you like, and once you find it you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the edit button under them, and here we can change a couple of things. We can change the color, and it's about it. We can change the color only. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and apply the changes. Another way to access the watch face menu is to do it through the settings. So we can press the upper button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, then tap on it, and then we can tap on display, and here we have the change watch face option, and if you tap on it, it will open the watch face menu, and you can scroll through the list, find the watch face, tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the watch face through the phone application. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this, wake up the screen on the phone, unlock it, open the Xiaomi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we can tap on device, and here you should see your Xiaomi Watch 2. Now tap on watch faces. As you can see, here we have the list of watch faces, and we can find the one you like, tap on it, and then tap on apply. And it's gonna be applied on your watch. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.